You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, this Y name, if you want to learn more confusing Y names and French pronunciations. You found the right channel. Make sure to stay tuned. I've got many more for you. In French, it's pronounced as cuvée, which is known in English as cuvée. Cuvée. In French, it's cuvée. And then réservé. Réservé. Okay, so it's not just reserve. It's not réserve. It's réservé. If you've got the spelling here with the accent at the end. Cuvée, réservé. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.